Alerts are one of the core features of the CASAFARI meta search. You're able to set alerts for any type of search. So this is for any type of criteria that you, your client, or an investor requires. You're able to save a search and have it running every single day, giving you alerts. And this is exactly how to do that. So imagine I want to purchase a property in Misericordia. I have a budget of 400,000 euros. I would like 2 bedrooms, and I'm flexible with the other criteria. So you can see here, there's 423 properties. I can scroll through them. Imagine I look through these all with my customer, with my investor, and there's nothing that's quite what I want. So what I can do is I can go up here and click set an alert. This will give me alerts on all new listings, price changes, sold or reserved properties for this particular set of criteria. I'm going to call my alert Client A. I click set an alert, manage my alerts, and then it's really easy for me to see. In the last day, there's 15 new properties that match this set of criteria and actually 4 price decreases. So I can click here and I see this property straight away has been reduced from nearly 400,000 euros to 370,000. So a little under a 10% discounted price, giving an indication that this property could be attractive for the right buyer. I go back to the search alerts and I can see my full list here, and I can choose to see updates of last day, 3 days, 7 days, or 30 days. I click off it, I go back to the search, and I can make another kind of alert. I can see all of the changes for any particular agency, and this is really powerful, tracking your own portfolio, tracking your competitors' portfolio, and it's so easy to do. So if I set a location here as Portugal, and then I choose an agency which is active all over Portugal, for example, Sotheby's, and you can see here, agencies and agents, Sotheby's, save, 2,862 properties. I'm able to see every single property that is within this agent's portfolio. Now if I go up here, click set an alert, type Sotheby's, Portugal, I'm going to see all new listings, all price changes, all sold or reserved properties. Any moment comes up, I'll be the first to know. Manage my alert, same place as before. And we can see here, even in the last day, there's 32 new, 52 increases, 28 price decreases. If I click here, I can see the price decreases. And I can see that other agencies are reducing the prices of properties. So if I'm this agency, I need to check through my portfolio and ensure that I'm marketing properties at the lowest possible price when compared to the other agencies.